Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how to spawn objects, and this will complete our game loop, so we will have a playable level. So with that, let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is convert the arrow into a prefab. A prefab is nothing but an object with already defined attributes like we have here. So what we need to do is first of all create a new folder for prefabs. Let's go inside it, drag our arrow from the hierarchy to this folder so that we have the prefab. Set the position as 0 0 0. The rotation will not matter because it will be reset and we'll have to set it again in the code, but I'll leave it as it is. So next thing we need to do is edit our script. So let's open arrow launcher. We were using serialized field earlier for the arrow joint. Now we'll be doing it in the code, so let's get rid of these. We'll need a reference to the prefab, and that's a game object. So let's go ahead and create that definition of arrow prefab. Second, we are going to need a rigid body to act as a joint, a hinge. So that will be our bow. Now that we have our variables, we need a function or method to spawn the arrow. So let's say spawn new arrow, and we'll have to first define the angle, and the angle is defined through something called quaternion. I think that's what it's called in our game, and let's call that arrow angle, which will be equal to quaternion dot Euler, and it's going to be 0, 0, 270, the same way we had in our arrow. Next, we are going to create an instance of the arrow, so let's use the function instantiate. We are going to give it the arrow prefab as the first argument. Second will be the bow's position, and third will be the arrow quaternion. I think it's quaternion. Let's just check what is it called. Now I will have it in my chat GPT. Yes, quaternion. Let's say it will be quaternion. Yep, quaternion. All right, so let's go back to the code, 270 degree, and the arrow angle. Now this gives us a game object type instance, so arrow instance. Now we'll be using this arrow instance to create the arrow joint and current arrow. So let's go ahead and put that here. Arrow instance dot get component. We'll be getting rigid body 2D. The second thing that I need is the joint. What is it called? Arrow joint, if I remember correctly. Yes, arrow joint, and that will be arrow instance dot get component spring joint 2D. Okay, let's capitalize this C. If you know it so well, why didn't you just suggest that to me? I wonder if I've turned off hints, but sometimes it works. Okay, whatever. So next we have arrow joint dot You have to put it the position equal to bow, so it will be get wall position. Now let me just check the code that they have. Connected body, okay, that connected body equals to bow. Does the unity compile? Spring joint 2D, okay, I forgot to capitalize the D. Next we are going to need to call this, and I will need it once at the very top, so let's first call the spawn new arrow and then freeze the rotation of the arrow. Next, once everything is done, I want it to, after the arrow has been launched, I want to invoke the spawn new arrow, and name of just helps me make sure that I'm using the right alphabets and that I've not made a spelling error, and with a, and then the delay, which is delay is going to be 1 second. Alright, so this is good. One issue that I might face is that earlier I hadn't cared much, but was clicked is set to true and then it's never set to false again. So once it has been clicked and the arrow has been launched, was clicked has to be reset to false. Alright, I think this is all the changes I needed. Quaternion.euler is not working. Why? 000 quaternion.euler 0 space 0 space 270. Oh, alright, now it should work. No, still not working. Quaternion arrow angle is equal to, why do I have two Eulers? Do you work now? Alright, so let's give this a try. If it works, we finally have a complete playable level. Oh, I have not assigned the references. Alright, so let's get rid of this, keeping fingers crossed, and let's go to the arrow prefab. No, not the arrow, the script arrow launcher, and assign the prefabs. There is the arrow prefab. Good. And then there's the bow. Why are you not working? Alright, let's just put in arrow itself. Let's see if that works. Okay, there is no arrow. We click on it. The variable of bow of arrow launcher has not been assigned. Yeah, but I'm not being able to assign it either. What's the mistake that I'm making? Oh, what did I do? Let's undo all of that. And redo game object arrow launcher. Yes, now I need to assign the bow here. Why is it not getting assigned? You should be accepting bow. It's a rigid body, static, should be working, but bow cannot be assigned. Okay, it can be. I don't know what was going on there. Alright, Work. Okay, great. It's not rotating. It's there. Let's see if we can. Perfect. And burst the balloon, and I have respawn of arrows. Great. I'll be making a few more angles later, or a few more levels later on, but finally we have our complete game. If this is the first video you are seeing, go watch all the videos from the start, and you will be able to create this for yourself. In some time in the future, I'll be launching something similar, a little bit advanced version of this in the Play Store, just to experience the entire game dev journey. So please do feel free to try it there, and thank you so much.